Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I wax and tint my eyebrows myself at home. So the first thing I do is turn on my wax pot, which I have already done. Then I get my Benefit Precisely My Brow eye pencil and I take the spoolie side and I start to brush my eyebrow hairs into place. If you're going to change your eyebrow shape, I would suggest to use a pencil or whatever brow product you use and just create the shape that you want to go for before waxing them so that you can wax them to that shape. Because I'm just tidying mine up, I don't use a pencil or anything, I just see wherever there's hairs, wax them out. So I use the Hive wax pot and it comes with some wax inside and it's already started to melt, start to drip. But I wanted to get a bit hot, so I'm going to leave that for a few more minutes. I put it on a 4 just to heat up. You will also need some spatulas. I have really long ones, so I just break them in half and then cut them. So I get smaller ones like this, so I can get points of them more precise. Like I said before, the spoolie, so I just use my Benefit Precisely My Brow. The wax that comes in the Hive kit is one where you don't use strips, so you just apply it and pick a bit off and then pull. So now that I've left that wax for quite a few minutes, I'm going to test it on the back of my hand by just dipping in a big spatula, getting some and putting it on my wrist, well, my arm, that. The one thing I would say about this wax, like, I love the wax pot itself, but the wax isn't the greatest. I've just got a bit up and that was fine. It wasn't too hot or too cold and it came up quite nicely, not as nicely as this pot will do. Okay, so I've already done this eyebrow off camera and I'm about to do this eyebrow. Now my eyebrows are naturally not the same size or the same shape, but I don't really try to correct them, I just kind of leave them to do their own thing. So I'm going to take the spatula and dip it in the wax. Okay, so I've just got a little bit of this middle bit to do, so I'm just going to quickly do that. And then I'll be doing this part and then I'll go down. And then if once I've done it I feel like there's any more hairs that need to be taken out, I'll go back over it. I've just got a little bit off there. Just rip it off. I go very red. So yeah, I just apply it, take a little bit off when it starts to get dry and then rip off the wax. I need another stick, so I just get a spatula like this and I cut it kind of in half if I can. Ooh. That one really didn't go in half, but we'll make do. So I'm going to take this part and my spoolie and just brush my eyebrow hairs again and apply it to the top part. So, and just take off these little flyaway bits that always happen with this wax. It's one reason I don't like it. With this wax, I find doing my eyebrow in smaller sections is just easier because of all the flyaways and it comes out a bit runny sometimes. So I'm just going to get some off. Pull the skin and pull the wax. So once you've done your waxing, which I have now fully done, this one's still thicker than this one, but like I said, I don't really worry about it too much. I've then gone to tinting. So for tinting, I use a Praise Professional Eyelash and Eyebrow Tint Kit, which is a starter kit. It comes with a black, a blue black, and a dark brown. So I just take out the little pot it comes with. The dark brown tint. This can be used for your eyelashes and eyebrows. And then I take the developer. I squeeze a little bit into here. Not that much. I then take the developer and I put in 3 to 5 drops. Then I get the brush it comes with and I mix this together. You can use petroleum jelly or Vaseline around your eyebrows so it doesn't stain any of the skin, but I'm allergic to that, so I can't use it. So I just take some on my brush and I just start to so I brush my eyebrow hairs first and then I take some on the brush, get my little mirror again, and I just start to place the tint on all the hairs. And I leave mine for about 10 minutes, I think. And then get some tissue and just clean the brush. So then I leave for 10 minutes, wipe it off, and my eyebrows on. So once the 10 minutes has been up, I then go off and I get a cotton pad and some water and I just wipe off all the eyebrow tint, and then this is what I'm left with. So my eyebrows are still quite red from the waxing, but I stay red for a long time, but they have really darkened up my eyebrows. I hope you guys all really liked this video. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Bye guys, thanks for watching.